Take 3. Tolerant here. We almost had a big problem. My forge or the furnace I built a long time ago is nearly in pieces out there. And I hadn't noticed, and someone threw a fucking Christmas tree on top of it. So, we're gonna go there now. We're going to have track camera and everything. So, now we go. You know what? I'm gonna bring the work light. Alright, never mind with the work light. We're just gonna put the work light back. We're gonna do this way. Okay. I'm out here. Here's the Christmas tree that got put on my furnace. This is it in all of its beauty. It's really bad. They're like really bad, but this thing's pretty hot. There is some damage. Come over here. There is some damage across the back. Nope, I made it worse. I made it slightly worse, but nothing I can't fix with some. It's almost like an Instagram model. Nothing you can't fix with just the right shot. Look at that. Look at that. It almost looks like you're not divorced with 3 kids. Alright, shine the light on the inside. Let's see how bad the inside looks. The way that this was built, if you want a guide on how to build your own, is really poorly. And in about 10 minutes outside in the dark with a flashlight. There's a cinder block right here. I just do a charcoal briquette out of the thing. Right here that I dug into the ground, and then I put a bunch of dirt, bricks, pieces of ceramic, dirt, more dirt. There's a lot of dirt. I need to actually add more dirt. So, this thing is, ooh, it's seen better days. This thing is not doing well. We might upgrade eventually. But the biggest thing to know about getting hot is working out, eating right, and air intake. And the air intake goes right along the back here, which will now be filmed. You've put an air pump right here, upside down, shooting air. You can use like a nice one, or you can use one you use to air up an air mattress. And that's what I use. I have 2 of them. This goes in the center of the flames to stoke the fires. It goes all the way in, and the air pump gets put in on this side, and air on the inside to heat it up a lot. So what we're going to do today is try to reseal all of this stuff. This covered the back at one point. Like that. Look at all of this. It's looking beautiful. We take this and we do that. This is nearly sealed up. I just now need my shovel. I wonder where that's at. Who knows? Who knows where my shovel is? We'll do this shovel. What is this? A pipe. That'll be useful. Okay, we continue this way into the nails. As you can see, here is what the forge is built out of. Very, very well constructed. Ooh, someone left us a brewski.
Label out.
This is very, 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 very expired. So we're just gonna pour one out for the boys. It doesn't matter if it's expired if you're pouring it out. And then we'll sit that very gently. Label down on the ground.
Oh, that's another label.
And that was Coca-Cola, not alcohol. Not alcohol.
You said a brand.
Not alcohol.
Okay.
Okay. I have a shovel. I have at least half of a shovel.
I have to point at the other brand.
No, we're sponsored by them.
Oh, okay.
Little did my cameraman know I'm sponsored by Monster Energy. Not a sponsor. Let's go this way. Hold on. Maybe the half of a shovel is this. Half a shovel? That's a stick. Maybe I lost shovel. Who knows where shovel is? Let's go this way. Okay, let's check inside the garage. Ah, look at that. You just Oh, where is the shovel? I wonder. Oh shit, it was right here. Shovel. Oh, there's the shovel. Yeah. Where I throw my shovel. Oh, someone dug a hole already. Crazy. Well, whoever did all of this for me, I'll just continue their work. I will dig a bit more and just keep it going. Look, you never have too much dirt insulating your furnace.
It does look like there's a little too much, though.
Never too much. Tip for digging, especially if you have one of these tactical shovels. Just take it
And hit your cameraman with it.
and hit like that, and then look, loose dirt. It makes your life a whole hell of a lot easier. Thinking about making a WikiHow article on it.
Does WikiHow still exist?
I do think it does. I think I saw a WikiHow the other day.
You were...
It was like how to stop your kid from doing weird shit. Maybe that was like 3 years ago, never mind. There we are. You don't need to worry too much about packing the dirt, because whenever it rains, it's going to wash away the excess, and it'll pack down all the rest. Whoa, is that a worm I see? We got ourselves an earthworm. Look at that, we're now an exploring channel. Look at that little guy.
Is it dead?
No, he's alive, I swear. Hey, don't prove me wrong here.
It's not moving.
Here, we'll have a little science experiment over here. Let's just grab a handful of dirt,
The dirt that you packed with.
and we'll sit him on top of it. And we'll check back on him every couple of minutes.
And if he's moved at all...
We're just gonna look back there and there'll be no worm. A bird came through and ate it.
No cuts.
We are doing so good. You know, if my cameraman ever messes up, this is the hole he'll be buried in. Yeah, some more loose dirt. There we go. There we go. All right. See, look, he's making his way down the dirt.
Oh, he is moving. Not sure if you can see that, but...
There he is. He's moving.
He's moving.
Okay.
He's alive.
All right. Let's. That's probably pretty good for the furnace.
No one can get angry. It's not dead.
Huh?
Said no one can get angry.
About what?
The worm.
Oh yeah, look, he's fine.
So, come on.
I'm actually going to put that back, and I'm going to return him to the hole. There you are, little guy. What the hell is this? Ah, this is steel. Wrong, it's iron. That was close. This is a chunk of iron. This will be... You see spoilers on cars and a little emblem? What do they call that? On the hood? The hood of the car?
On the hood of the car.
It's a little statue of a horse. Or a shitty symbol like Mercedes. Never mind.
I guess an emblem. Logo.
This is our horse. Alright, we got this pipe earlier and I said it was going to be useful. So, it is going to... You guys have seen trains. Oh no, those people with the big truck. Look, we're like them now. Look at our big truck. Hold on, get down. Look at our big truck. Ah. Oh, I'm tripping over things and stuff. That is a furnace. Look at that. I said look at that, not look at me. And actually, you know what? All in the spirit of nature, this still very alive tree will now be replanted right here next to the worm. Oh, I dropped it. Next to the worm. Look.
Then we have to cover the dirt.
No, Jacob, that's not how trees work. Christmas. It's Christmas for all. And in the next video, I'm gonna melt an egg inside my furnace, or it's gonna cook and I'm gonna eat it. One of the two. All right. This has been Tolerant, showing you how to modify your furnace.